What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Kshitij,
And I'm Tanya.
and in today's video, we'll be discussing what is the right age to come to Canada.
Correction here. There is no right age to come to Canada, but of course, your experiences will change according to your age. So, in today's video, we'll be talking about different age groups and we'll just compare what would be your journey in Canada when you come at a certain age.
If you like the video, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kshitij Tanya
Tanya
Vlogs.
Vlogs.
And don't forget to press that bell icon. Watch this, and we'll be right back. So I feel I came here as a student, so I'm gonna share all that with you in this video. I came when I was 21, and it was tough at that time because nobody has worked in India, and for a student it's really difficult to get used to this culture because I came here when it was snowing, and yeah, it's very tough because you have to speak English first of all. It's tough, it's different. It's a different environment because everybody is speaking in English. It was tough for me. It was different for me, not tough. It was different. And then I feel that when I started studying here, I saw a lot of students. They came at the age of 18. So I would recommend that if you want to come to Canada or any other foreign country, or if you have a dream to study abroad, I feel 18. Not 18, like after 12th is the right age to come to Canada.
I would like to add here because when you're coming at a young age, you get to adjust to the environment a little bit faster because
Yes.
after completing your school, if you're joining college, you'll make friends, you'll get used to the culture here. So it will give you more time to adjust to the culture here because there's a drastic difference between India and Canada. So I think Kshitij experienced that, and
I was honestly, if I have to go in the flashback, I could still recall after 6 months I felt that maybe if I would have come early at 18, I would have been PR, like permanent resident of Canada, at an early age, because a lot of students when I came here, they came here at 18, 19. So if you want to come, and I from the very beginning wanted to come, so I would recommend that if you have plans, just go for it right after grade 12.
okay, so now we'll be discussing scenario 2. I could relate to it because I came to Canada 5 years back. I had just finished my master's in India and I had started working. It wasn't a long time working in India, but I did work for good 2 years there, so I was getting used to the work culture. And when I came here, everything was different, work culture was different, people were different. So at that time, I think I had few memories in my mind, so it was a little bit difficult for me to adjust here because I was used to a certain pattern, a certain way of life, and here it was completely different. So again, you have that maturity. With age, maturity comes, so you get used to whatever you want to get used to. So I feel even that was a good age, and I like it here now.
It's better now, like with time, you get used to things and it's better now. Now, we'll be discussing one more scenario, one more, age group, which is, I think, after 30 or
30 and above.
So, I think what we were discussing just now was that, in India, like the thing is, what we have been experiencing is that a lot of people after 30, or by the time like 30 plus, yeah, as you were saying, after some time they want to go abroad. They are not satisfied there, or maybe they feel like life is better here. No doubt life is better here, but
the good life comes with various
Yes.
challenges here as
Yes.
well. So if you're coming at that age, I feel it would be a little bit difficult because again, I was talking about myself. I just spent 2 years of work life in India. Still, it was so difficult for me
Of
to
course.
adjust.
I
But
remember.
imagine if you're working in India. Yeah, he had to bear everything, so he knows. But imagine if you're working in India for a longer time at an age of 30, 32, if you plan to move to Canada, the process takes another 1 year. So if you're here at 33, 34 or 35, you have already built a life for yourselves back home in India, and you're already used to everything, the environment and stuff. You have your own group of friends, you have your weekend life, which here
She
is
still
different.
cries for it.
Yeah, which here is different and you miss. But again, it comes with time, how much time you're spending here. Now we are getting to know people. We have our own set of friends. But at that time, I feel you are constantly comparing your life back home and life here. Because I also have few friends who were my senior when I was working, and we have this discussion, and they tell me that now they don't have that much of patience, and they don't want to invest time and energy again to build a life for themselves.
Yeah.
So I feel like we have given a picture as to what could be the best stage, but the decision would be yours. But according to me, I feel like if you're coming at a young age, you are still raw, you're still grasping what's going on around you.
Yes.
You don't have your previous memories. So you're building a new life and a fresh life.
So,
and
yeah, I think even I agree with Tanya that you need to come at the age of 18 or maximum 21 after you complete your graduation, because everybody after, like, I feel after 30 they want to move to abroad, to migrate to abroad, and then it's a challenge because you are not just by yourself. You have your family, your kids, so it would be very, very disturbing, like even for the kids, because it's going to be everything. They will leave their friends, their lifestyle, and then move here. It's tough here. If you're starting at 30 plus, it's really tough. So 18 is the right age, I guess, right?
yes, because at that age it will give you more time to build your life, whereas when you are 30, above 30, you will have a pressure on your head that you are 30, you have to have few things in life settled. So yeah.
So we agree. Finally, we agree on this.
On something.
On something. So this was it, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, you know what to do. What to do?
You have to like the channel, you have to share it with your friends, and you have to subscribe to our channel.
It's called
Kshitij Tanya Vlogs.
Make sure, please. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please, please, please. And please, we'll see you. I'll see you now. I'm watching you now. You're standing right next
But
to me.
we'll see you guys in our new video.
Very
and
soon.
if you have any questions, anything related to Canada, we will be more than happy to help you, because that's the main motive for us to make these videos.
So we'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a good day or good night if you're watching it in the morning.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go.